Hi guys. Well, you just saw this really cool experiment that I did, and so here's kind of the backstory of it. Well, first I was just looking through the internet and looking for YouTube videos on cool experiments, and me and my family found this one, and it stood out because a lot of the other ones were just the same, just with different and bigger containers. But here's the setup process of it. Well, so first we took a candle and put it in the bottom of a jar. And then we took sand and put it on top of it, covering it up. And then we filled it with water and put it on the stove. And then, well, here's the similarities. It turns a solid to molten, in this case wax to molten. When it was coming out, it was molten, but now it's cooled. And then the differences are that the wax rather than rock rises, and instead of sinking to the ocean floor. And I hope you enjoyed my video and slideshow. I really hope you like it. Bye.